The teams are given only 2 hours to come up with a presentation of their business plans.
Siguro we could start with an objective, tapos goals. Under ng objective yung goals, tapos keys to success, tapos yung SWOT analysis, and then recommendation. This is not a school project anymore. This is actually the real life. If ever we'll be given the chance to enter the hospitality industry, this is really what we are going to expect.
One of the ipapropose namin sa is yung 5+1 promo. Like, in every order of 5 mugs of beer of any sizes, you get the same size on the 6 mug on the same size for free. You order the 0.3.
Kunyari, Tuesday, we can parang darts tournament every Tuesday. So that every Tuesday, meron talaga tayong specific market.
I know naman, I'm older than the two of them. Parang I tried to, medyo nahihirapan ako, pero I tried to extract ideas from a younger, from a fresher mind. Ganun yung inano ko na, parang, o kayo, on your side, o ikaw being a gentleman, what are the things ba na patok sa'yo bilang market ng ganito? If the bar would market your age, anong gusto mo?
From my previous work experience, I was part of the pre-opening team. So, medyo nakita ko kung paano talaga ginawa yung mga products, kung paano conceptualize lahat. So, parang ganun din yung gusto kong gawin dito. Parang I want to create a new product out of Lucid na wala pa sila.
Not satisfied with the information they obtained, the group of Paula, DJ, and Patrick opted for another glance of the FSM.
Pwede ka rin yung magawin ng performers din.
There's a connotation if you're a hotel.
Too expensive.
Too expensive.
Too formal.
Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok na nakana.
So yun yung kaya nga natin isipan, paano mag-change yung notion na yun.
Pwede din natin siyang
Siguro we could do some promotions.
But the thing is, I don't think that Lucid does too much promotions as well.
Oh, what do you mean? Promotions? Yung sa press, media, or...
Yung
iba kasi, I'm not so sure kasi they're hotel.
Because they have this reservation agent and marketing department, so that is their job or a marketing.
But we have to know how
we should start with a matinding tagline.
Oo, tagline. Yung isip ko kanina, tagline na marinig siya sa tao. Na once na narinig nila or nabasa nila, it would remind them of Fiesta San Miguel. Maybe we should change the interior.
No, I like it actually. It kind of looks like European pop. Chika siya eh. It's very stylish. I like the brewery. Medyo scared. At the same time, thrilled because there's a lot of ideas that came through my mind na, oh my gosh, bar na naman yung hahawakan ko. Anong bagong pwede kong gawin para gawing yung boring, maging exciting in my level and can also be other levels.
In some point, dun sa discussion namin, medyo nawawala-wala ako kasi hindi ko alam yung pinag-uusapan nila. Pero, minding all those factors na nakita ko kanina dun sa observation namin na yung tungkol sa parking and something like that, bigyan naman ako ng idea which is tinatanggap naman ng grupo.
Let's stay with the infrastructure where you were first. Moving on. Start next.
Okay.
The 2 hours go by very quickly for the applicants, and they rush to put in the final touches.
Despite the time pressure, siguro naman nakita niyo how we prepared, last minute na lahat, but still we were able to finish everything.
Mondays, we have the Monday comeback since still time constraints talaga. So, bakit yung ulo ko? Kasi parang ako when I'm making presentation kasi it previously days, I'm counting days and I have to, marami akong gusto. I want it to be specific. Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa kanila dalawa, I want it to be specific. Pero I have to suppress that need, that want to have it specific. Kasi time constraint na kami. Otherwise, hindi kami matatapos.
With our plan, I guess, siguro na kami nag-brainstorm dyan. So, I think I'm confident with that plan and go for it.
The applicants seem pleased with their own work, but will they be able to please the judges? Our roster of judges include Mr. Thomas Nang, the president of eCornell Philippines, Mr. Pratik Kumar, the general manager of the New Dusitani Manila, and our guest judge, Cornell University graduate Marides Fernando, mayor of Marikina City.
Wala namang difference yun kung kahit na sino man ang mag-judge sa'yo. Kung kahit na gaano ka-important man yung person na yun, as long as may i-deliver mo ng mabuti yung plan mo sa kanila.
Up next,
This is the trial and error stage for us.
We don't have time for trial and error. I want a businessman that makes money for me. If there's time for trial and error, I'll probably start losing money. So that's not how we work.